Istanbul's nighttime charm, a mesmerizing tapestry of lights. As the sun dips below the horizon, Istanbul undergoes a breathtaking transformation, unveiling a mesmerizing spectacle that captivates the senses. The cityscape, adorned with minarets, domes, and modern skyscrapers, comes alive with a radiant display of lights, casting a magical glow over the metropolis. At the heart of this nocturnal enchantment is the historic silhouette of Istanbul, where iconic landmarks such as the Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, and the Topkapi Palace stand proudly illuminated against the dark canvas of the night sky. The intricate architecture of these centuries-old structures takes on a new allure as soft golden hues dance upon their surfaces, creating a scene reminiscent of a bygone era. Venture to the shores of the Bosphorus Strait, and you'll witness the waterway transform into a liquid ribbon of shimmering reflections. The twinkling lights of boats and ships mirror the stars above, creating a harmonious blend of natural and artificial luminosity. The Bosphorus Bridge, a modern engineering marvel, gracefully spans the strait, connecting the European and Asian sides of the city in a radiant display of LED lights. Stroll through the bustling neighborhoods of Beyoğlu and Karaköy, and you'll encounter a lively tapestry of street lights, vibrant storefronts, and lively cafes. The narrow cobblestone streets are lined with charming Ottoman-era buildings that exude a timeless elegance, providing an intimate setting for an evening stroll. For a panoramic view of the city's glittering panorama, head to the Galata Tower. Perched on a hill, this medieval structure offers an unrivaled vantage point, allowing you to witness the sprawling cityscape illuminated against the inky backdrop. The city's skyline, marked by the silhouette of modern skyscrapers, adds a contemporary touch to Istanbul's timeless beauty. As night falls, Istanbul's night markets come alive with the aromas of street food, the sounds of traditional music, and the chatter of locals and tourists alike. The Grand Bazaar, with its labyrinthine alleys, transforms into a mystical maze where vibrant textiles, exquisite ceramics, and intricate crafts beckon under the warm glow of lanterns. In Istanbul, the night is not merely the absence of daylight, but a canvas for the city to paint its own masterpiece.